Have you noticed how welded metal furniture feels perfect? Today, we want to look at some welded furniture ideas that look cool and can also sell fast. Let's dive in. Starting with this welded metal coffee table, the frame looks super steady and I love how the metal plays against the wooden top. You know what is tricky here? Getting those walls smooth so they don't distract from the design. A table like this could fit in almost any living room. I could definitely see these ones selling fast as coffee tables are like the centerpiece of a living room. Will you go for pure metal look or do you like it when there's a wood top to balance things out? Alright, now an industrial style dining table. Welding big frames like this takes a lot of precision. If the legs aren't perfectly square, the table will wobble and nobody wants a wobbly dinner table. From a buyer's point of view, this is perfect for someone who loves that lot vibe. It feels strong and could last for generations. You can totally picture people buying this for open plan apartments or even trendy restaurants. Would you want this in a natural wood finish or painted black for that extra industrial edge? Next is console tables. A welded console table works in entryways, behind a sofa and even in offices. This one we are looking at has a sleek frame with minimal weld marks. Grinding down the joint and keeping the structure strong is an art in itself. I could see this selling fast just because it is versatile and doesn't take up much space. Would you put something like this in your hallway, or do you think it works better as a TV stand setup? Alright, welded side tables. People love these because they are affordable and easy to fit into any room. This design has a strong metal base, clean walls, and maybe a glass or wood top. Honestly, welding smaller frame can sometimes be trickier than big ones because every mistake shows. People buy side tables like crazy. They are perfect for apartments, bedrooms, or next to couches. Tell me, do you like the simple cute side tables or the ones with a bit more of creative twists? Okay, welded nesting tables. These are genius because you get multiple tables in one and people love that flexibility. This set we are looking at has perfectly aligned frames that slide into each other. That is not easy to weld. If the angles are even slightly off, they won't nest properly. From a buyer's perspective, these sell fast because they are practical, stylish, and space-saving. Great for small apartments, Airbnb setup, or anyone who wants options without clutter. Which design will you buy first? The nesting table for their flexibility or that big bold dining table for a statement piece? Welded metal furniture has something that makes them stand out and you can totally see why people grab them fast. Now, which of these pieces do you think will sell the fastest? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this with a friend who loves furniture ideas. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.